everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to check who viewed my MeetMe profile. So, let's get started. First, open your MeetMe application. Then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down a little and then tap on Views. In this page, you'll be able to see who viewed your profile. And this is how you can check who viewed MeetMe profile. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.